Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious white soup with goat meat. This soup is very delicious and very easy to put together. So let's get started. So into my clean pot, I added my nicely washed goat meat and my peeled washed yam. So I'm going to add water, then I'll allow it to cook. I'll allow the yam to cook. Once it is soft and tender, I'm going to take it out and blend or pound. You can also blend it or pound the yam. So at this point the yam is nicely cooked and soft, so I'm going to be blending mine. You can also pound like I said. So after removing the yam, I'm just going to allow the meat to cook very well, okay? So at this point I have to change the pot because the pot is very small, so I have to change to a bigger one. So I added the meat. So now I'm going to add in salt and seasoning, then add in some chopped fresh pepper, then add more water and allow the meat to cook for a few minutes. So after some few minutes, I'm going to be adding dry fish, that's bala fish. Then I'll go in with the pepper soup spices. Then I will add in some blended crayfish. Then I'm going to stir this together. So the next thing is to start cutting the pounded yam into the pots, just the way I'm doing in this video, okay? And guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Turn on the bell icon and also drop me your comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I truly appreciate you all. So after cutting the pounded yam into the pot, the next is to go in with some chili powder, then stir, and I'm going to cover this until everything is nicely melted. And at this point our soup is almost ready, so I'm just going to stir. Then I will be adding my vegetable. You can as well use oziza, any leaf that you have, anyone you prefer, but me, I'm using pumpkin leaf, that's ugu leaf, to garnish mine. And guys, our soup is ready, and this was so yummy and I enjoyed it with pounded yam. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.